Hello everyone, welcome to my blog. Today, I will teach you how to write a 3-paragraph essay step by step using a formal theme book. If you are wondering how to organize your ideas and write a clear essay, don't worry, I will guide you. We will follow 3 easy steps. First is the outlining, second is pre-writing, third is writing in the formal theme book. So, prepare your paper and pen and let's get started. Step 1 is outlining. First, let's talk about outlining. What is outlining? Outlining is a way of organizing your ideas before writing your essay. Serve as your guide so your essay will be clear and well organized. The teacher can also give a template wherein the student or you can fill out the necessary information. Just write what is being asked in the template. For example, the title of the essay. What is the title of your essay? We have 3 paragraphs. The introduction, body, and conclusion. You just write down the information on the template. Okay, on your paper, write your name, write your grade and section, write the date, then create your outline. First is the title of the essay, the introduction, just put Roman numeral 1, paragraph 1, introduction. It includes hook sentence, and thesis statement. We have the body, just write Roman numeral 2, body, paragraph 2. It includes the topic sentence and supporting sentence. And we have also conclusion. Just write Roman numeral 3, conclusion. It includes restatement of the thesis statement and call to action. So I have here a sample outline wherein I have written down the necessary informations or the ideas that I have gathered in my mind. Tama ba? Okay. So, yan. I have written the organized ideas using the outline. Okay, the template, the given template. Wherein I have the introduction, the body, and conclusion. So, I have also this kind of template wherein we will be using this when um, in pre-writing. Okay, making a draft of your paragraph 3 paragraph essay using the outline that you created. Step 2 is pre-writing. Now let's move to pre-writing. What is pre-writing? Pre-writing is the stage where you prepare and draft your essay before writing it neatly. So on another piece of paper, set your margins 1 inch on the left side and 1/2 inch on the right side. You just use your pencil and transparent ruler. 1 inch on the left side and 1/2 inch on the right side. Okay? Use pencil. Do not use ball pen or any pen because afterwards we will erase the margin line after we have written our paragraph. After that, you will write, or at the top of the paper, write your name, grade and section, date, and then leave a space. Then write the title in the center, the title of the essay or of your essay. So we have three paragraphs. Okay, we have three paragraphs, the introduction, body, and conclusion. So before writing each paragraph, reminder that you need to put 1 inch or 3/4 inch indentation at the beginning. Okay, before writing each paragraph. And then don't forget to put space in between paragraph. So use your outline to write your essay. Then after that, you can now erase the margin line. But make sure to check your grammar, check your spelling, make sure your sentences are correct. And after that, you can ask your teacher to check your work to make sure there are no mistakes. Remember, this is your draft, so it doesn't need to be perfect, but it should already be clear and correct. Now, we will move on to the last step, which is writing in the formal team book. So we will write your final essay in the English formal team book. Okay, we have a draft of your essay wherein we have written it in an organized way, but we will just write it in the English formal team book. So at the top of the page, write your name, grade and section, date, formal team number, aim, reference, and title of the essay. Make sure that you have written the necessary information. And after that, we need to set the margins. Set 1 inch margin on the left side and set 1/2 inch margin on the right side. So remember that you need to use pencil and transparent ruler. Do not use pen because we will erase later after writing the paragraph. We will erase the margin line. Okay, you just use pencil. Just use pencil in setting the margins. 1 inch on the left side, 1/2 inch margin on the right side. And after that, before writing the essay, before starting your first paragraph, make sure to put a 1 inch indentation. Okay, make sure to put 1 inch indentation. Before writing your first paragraph, the introduction, write your hook sentence, follow with your thesis statement. Okay? Then paragraph 2, after you have written the paragraph 1, leave a space after paragraph 1, then put a 1 inch indentation. Start writing the body of the essay. Write your topic sentence and supporting sentences. After you have written the second paragraph, leave a space after paragraph 2. Put also a 1 inch indentation. Then write your restatement and call to action. Write your conclusion, your paragraph 3. Okay, as you can see, I showed you how to write your essay in the English formal team book. So make sure your ideas follow a logical order, write neatly and clearly, and use proper spacing. And after that, just check your grammar, check your spelling, make sure your work is neat and tidy, and do not forget to erase the margin lines after writing your essay. And that's it. Now you know how to write a 3-paragraph essay step by step using a formal theme book. Just remember the outline, pre-write, and write neatly in your theme book. Remember these three: outlining, pre-writing, and writing neatly in your theme book. Okay, another tip. If you don't have ruler, you can use this. You can use this technique. Okay, as I have shown, I have shown in the video. You can use your just use this technique if you don't have ruler. That will serve as your margin or guide without writing or without setting the margin on your paper. Just use that technique. And then when using, if you don't have formal team book, or if you just use bond paper, do not forget to put or setting margin lines. Okay? So when using bond paper, just set margin lines 1 inch on the left side and 1/2 inch on the right side. Okay, I hope it helps and see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.